Hi, this is Garry Voigt, your favorite local realtor, and I'm here at Peak Law Group where I'm going to sit down with Jamie Nay, real estate lawyer, and we're going to go over the most common questions that people may have about the legal process when buying and selling real estate. Come on. So I'm here with Jamie Nay, real estate lawyer, and we're here to answer a couple questions about the legal process when buying and selling real estate. So Jamie, at which point should somebody contact a lawyer?
Yeah, so of course you can do it anytime, especially if you have any questions or concerns or you want to get a quote. Otherwise, generally once subjects are removed and you're ready to complete the deal.
Perfect. So what exactly does a real estate lawyer do?
Yeah, so if you're buying, then your real estate lawyer is going to coordinate with the seller, make sure they sign all their documents. We're going to transfer the title to your name. We're going to register your mortgage, and we're going to pay the seller. If you're selling, then your lawyer is going to make sure that the buyer's on top of all that. Your lawyer is going to make sure that you receive your closing funds and that the transaction goes smoothly.
Receiving funds, that's important. So what would somebody need to prepare to bring in for their closing appointment?
Yeah, a lot less than people think they have to bring in. You have to bring in some ID, so we know you are who you say you are. If you're buying, you're going to usually bring in closing funds, a bank draft. And if there's any special requirements from your lender, say a Voigt check, you'll have to bring that stuff in too.
So what exactly happens? I come in for my appointment, I'm sitting down at your desk. What happens at the appointment?
Yeah, so it's a lot less involved than most people think it is. If you're selling, it's about a 10 to 15 minute appointment. If you're buying, it's about a 15 to 25, depending on how many documents there are. We just go through everything, go through the adjustments, the closing stuff, and sign everything. And if you have any questions, that's it. Otherwise, we get you out of there as fast as we can.
Perfect. So how much do legal fees generally cost when purchasing a place or selling a place?
Yeah, so if you're going to buy a property and you're just going to get one standard mortgage, your legal account is going to be about $10.50 or so with taxes.
So just over $1,000.
Yeah, and if you're selling, again, you're just charging one mortgage, no other stuff going on, which is the most common scenario. You're going to be paying about $675 with taxes.
Wow, so quite a bit of a difference.
Yeah, and I mean that doesn't include some third-party costs like property tax adjustments,
Yeah, of course.
strata, stuff like that. But those are your legal costs.
Perfect. And final question, what's the difference between a lawyer and a notary?
Yeah, so three main differences you want to keep in mind. The first difference is we can simply offer more legal services than a notary can. That's just the law. The second is the price isn't really that much different. People think notaries are cheaper, not always, And third is that, this is the big one, is that if something goes wrong in your deal and you need some last minute negotiations or revisions, that's what a lawyer can do for you. So notaries can't give you advice if something goes wrong, essentially. They have to pass you off to a lawyer, and they know that adds time and complexity. So we can already handle that for you.
Right, so you guys can do everything, whereas a notary can maybe only do a handful of things.
Yeah, so notaries can give advice in cases where everybody's agreeing to all the terms or there's no disputes.
Yeah.
But if there is a dispute, then that's when you have to have a lawyer.
Right. And there you have it.